actually have issues with my locks right now, so that's what my lock update is going to be about, unfortunately. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gifty. I've been updating you on my MICROLOCS since I installed them all by myself, and today I'm bringing you my 22nd month lock update. So yes, it's been 22 months since I got locked, and as you can see, there's some length going on, but you know, don't be deceived by this. There are some issues with my locks, which is why I so needed to do this update, because it's really bothering me. Somehow I do know what to do, but I'm not sure. So I'm just here to share that with you. Maybe it's going to help me to take a better decision. So first of all, look at the new growth. There's a lot of new growth. And as you can see, I'm due for a retight. My hair is not looking its best. That's what I feel. Somehow on camera, my hair always tends to look very dark and looking fresh and all that. But I feel like I need to dye my hair. So I got myself some henna and I'll be dyeing my hair black. So hold on, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So I went out, I got myself these, I think like 5 of them in one box. Comes in this package, and these are 2 sachets. These are the other 3 sachets. So what I'm supposed to do is just to mix it with water. So I don't know how many sachets I'll be needing for my hair, so like I'm yet to find out, but I'll probably make 2 at a go, and if it's not enough, I'll just mix another one. So this is how it looks like. Gives you the instruction on how to go about the whole process over here. And so I'll just follow that and then do it. So that's the first issue, coloring my hair. Now, the second issue, which is a real important issue, is my locks are thinning, really. I don't know, I noticed this a while ago, but I was always thinking probably I haven't gotten the rotation right, and that's why it's probably thinning, because I'm making it too tight or something like that. But now I'm realizing it's really thinning, I can't lie. So I need a white sheet of paper so I can always put it behind it for you to see. I don't know if you can see this way, but let me get piece of paper, just hold on a sec. So I've gotten this little sheet of paper so that I can show you, and I think I need to put my hair in a bun. So yeah, and I am even thinking that putting my hair in a bun is probably what has caused this thinning, because the thing is just around here, it's just around my hairline, and then this section here and this section here. So let me just pull out a few for you to see what I'm talking about. These ones, for instance, they really look strange. So look at this hair right here. So it was thick when I installed it, and then somehow now it's getting thinner and thin. This is already new growth here, and it's getting thinner and thinner. So, and the funny thing is, if I even think of combining these locks, I don't know which 2 locks I should join together. Should I join them together upwards? Should I join them together sideways? And then look at this one here. This is really up and close, everything, but I needed to show you this. This one is also very thin. Look at that. It was thin here, then it started getting thicker here. Now I think it's really getting thick again, but look at how I started it. Started it quite thick, right? So what are my options? Now this is just a few that I've shown you, but it's like this entire section here. And I've had some locks that I've actually combined that don't look good at all. I actually combined some by mistake, and I was just joking that I was going to combine my locks, and then I forgot to take out some of them that I combined, and when I was retightening, I sort of retightened them together. So that's this one. Wait, This is one lock that I don't like at all because I ended up with a knot in here. I've not been able to take down the knot, and I had to join those two locks together. So I said if I retighten the roots for a while and it's quite long, I'll just cut off one of the locks from them. Yeah, so that's to that. So this is one big lock that I joined that I didn't even plan on joining. And so far my experiences with joining locks is not a good one. Here, all the locks here are thinning as well. Look at that. This is thick and here it's thin. And here is also, this is how I started this. And here it's thin. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know if you can see that here. I have no idea. So yeah, so I'm like thinking, I mean, there are women who shave their sides. Maybe I should shave my sides. I don't know. And then I also thought of maybe I should just combine them. But you know, when you interlock your locks and then you put them back like that, especially in a bun, you have a certain look to the front. Like I have small locks all over and it has its look. So I'm not open to have like 3 huge locks at the front or 3 huge sections at the front. It kind of looks weird. I don't like that look. So I do want to keep them in this size, but how do I get them to look appropriate? So the another option is to join some of the locks, like maybe join this one. But you see how huge that looks when I join it? Nah, it just can't be right. And yeah, anyway, so those are my issues right now. And I'm just thinking maybe I should just chop off the thick side. So if it's this one like this and it's thinning here, it's irritating me because I know this is how it started and now it looks that thin. Here it became thinner, then here it even became even more thinner, and now somehow it's getting thick again. So I was thinking like, why don't I just chop this part off and then I'll have nothing to compare to, so then it wouldn't be so obvious, right? But then with this, all this while it was thick and now it's getting thin, so it wouldn't be fair to cut it off all the way here and just leave this little thing here. So I hope I'm making sense. It's just bothering me so much. In the front part as well, here it's getting thinner, and it's not like I'm not retightening my hair on time. Okay, yeah, sometimes I don't, and I think maybe that's the punishment for not doing my retightenings on time. So yeah, I've had a few at the front which look thin. I don't know, this one is okay, this one is somehow okay, but it also looks a little bit thin sometimes. Then I have another one, exactly this one. Used to be thick here and now it's becoming thinner. So I don't know what you think. So that's to my locks. Now let me bring you the 360. I don't even know if you want to see it anymore, but yeah, I'll give you a 360 to my locks. Apart from that, they are doing fine. I'm using lavender water. So this is in German, but it's lavender water. This same company does rose water, and I decided to just try lavender water for a change. And well, I don't know, these days my hair feels moisturized all the time, so it's not a big deal, but I'm trying it out at the moment because of the new growth, so I can't really, you know, put my fingers through my hair. But let me just give you a 360. So let me see, this is the side. Oh, and a lady told me something about your hair being a waterfall. Like she said she doesn't like the waterfall of her hair, and I realized I have that as well, but it never really bothered me until she mentioned it. Now I'm aware of it, so I'll show you what she means. I don't like talking when I turn around, so like I'll just show you. So you see the slope, yeah, like kind of the layered section at the back. That's what she said she doesn't like about her locks. Always has this lowered section, and she's waiting till everything grows so that she can cut it and it will be a perfect bob or something. I don't know if I would ever do that because I somehow feel like the hair at the top, they grow faster than the back of the hair. So I'm hoping that the front will just catch up with the back and then I would not have to go through that. But I can see I have that too. So and so here today I'm wearing a good color so you could see the, you know, the length properly than how I've been doing it in the past, always wearing black and all sorts of funny clothes so that you don't see the difference. So now I hope you've seen it. So yeah, that's it. 22 months and still growing. As I said, the whole thing with the thinning, it's really bothering me, but I'll have to figure out how I'll do it. This is the spray bottle I use, and I've put that lavender water in it. I really like it. So yeah, I'll have to do my retightening in the next few days, so I'm looking forward to that. And apart from that, everything else is actually fine. I've uploaded an update to my weight gain journey, so if you're interested, you can check that out as well. And yeah, that's it to my update, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. 23 months is coming. February didn't have a 29th, so it was on the 1st of March, that's how I'm taking it, that my hair, like my locks, turned 23 months. So yeah, that's it. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. Tell me which part of your journey you are right now. And then yeah, let's talk about this, and please give me some suggestions on how to deal with this thinning locks, because I know I'll have to join them, but probably there are other options. I'm not going to shave my sides though, so that's just the scariest option. Like the worst option is to shave my sides, but I'm not going to do that because then I'll have to let them grow out till they become locks. That's not the best solution. So don't be scared, I'm not going to shave my sides. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.